Hello students, today we will start our second chapter, long and short. Today we will do solution of our exercise from the textbook. The shorter line. Akbar was a famous king. He had a smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. Here it is the Akbar's line. Birbal, here is a line, make it shorter without erasing. अकबर ने बीरबल से कहा कि आप मेरी लाइन को शॉर्ट करके दिखाओ विदाउट इरेजिंग, बिना इरेज किए. नाउ बीरबल ड्रू ए longer line, drew a longer line under the first one, under the first one. So in this way the first line became automatically shorter. अब बीरबल ने अकबर की लाइन के नीचे एक लॉन्गर लाइन ड्रॉ की. सो अकबर्स लाइन will automatically become shorter. So tell the person who is more intelligent, Akbar or Birbal. So the answer is Birbal. Now move to inter-school sports meet. This is a 100-meter race for girls. Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. This is the finishing line and this is Arundhati. She is about 6 meter from it. She is about 6 meter from the finishing line. Behind her is Rihanna. और उसके पीछे कौन है? रिहाना. Konkona and Uma are running behind Rihanna. Konkona and Uma are running behind Rihanna. Look at the picture. To answer the questions below, choose from these distances. आपको जो नीचे क्वेश्चन दिए हैं आपको उनके आंसर इन चारों में से चूज करके बताने हैं. How far is Rihanna from the Arundhati? This is Arundhati and this is Rihanna. Find the distance between them. First, look the distance between Arundhati and the finishing line. This is 6 meter. So the distance between Rihanna and Arundhati will be 3 meter, 6 meter, 10 meter or 15 meter. This distance is lesser than this distance. So the answer will be 3 meter. So answer will be 3 meter. Now, how far ahead is Rihanna from the Konkona and Uma? रिहाना उमा और कोंकणा से कितनी आगे है? फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम. सो दिस डिस्टेंस एंड दिस डिस्टेंस इज लुकिंग सेम. सो वी विल राइट द सेम 6 meters. The distance between them is 6 meter. Now, how far are Konkana and Uma from the finishing line? कोंकणा और उमा फिनिशिंग लाइन से कितना दूर है? दिस इज द फिनिशिंग लाइन एंड दीज आर कोंकणा एंड उमा. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट. दिस इज 6 meter and this distance is 3 meter and this distance is also 6 meter. So we add all three distances and 6 meter plus 3 meter plus 6 meter is equal to 15 meters. So the Distance between Konkana and Uma from the finishing line will be 15 meters. Now, have you heard about a 1500-meter or 3000-meter race? You remember that 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer, 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer, and 500 meter makes half a kilometer. 1000 मीटर में कितना किलोमीटर होता है? 1 किलोमीटर. एंड 500 मीटर में कितना किलोमीटर होता है? हाफ ए किलोमीटर. सो you can say in a 1500-meter race people run how many kilometer? कितना किलोमीटर जाएगा वो? We all know 1000 meter is 1 and 1500 meter will be half, 1 and half kilometer. So the answer will be 1 and half kilometer. In 3000-meter race people run how many kilometers? Look, in 3000, in 1000 will be 1 kilometer, 2000 will be 2 kilometer, and 3000 meter will be 3 kilometer. Okay students, now here are the Indian record and world record for some jumps. यहाँ पे इंडियन रिकॉर्ड और वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड दिया हुआ है बच्चों. किस चीज़ का? स्पोर्ट्स में जंपिंग का. दिस इज द वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड एंड दिस इज द इंडियन रिकॉर्ड. नाउ यू हैव टू solve the following questions. How many centimeter more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? Men's world record for high jump is, this is 2 meter and 45 centimeter, and the record of Chandrapal is 2 meter and 17 centimeter. So we will subtract Chandrapal's record from the world record. Chandrapal's world record is 2 meter 45 centimeter minus record of Chandrapal 2 meter and 17 centimeter is equal to, you have to subtract Chandrapal's record from the Xavier's record, world record. Okay, 2 meter 45 centimeter is the world record and this is the Chandrapal's record. So we will get 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. This is the right answer. Now, how many centimeter higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meter? How many centimeter higher should Bobby? Look at the record of Bobby. 1 meter and 91 centimeter. This is the record of Bobby. 1 meter and 91 centimeter. बॉबी को 2 मीटर जंप के लिए कितना डिस्टेंस और चाहिए? कितना सेंटीमीटर और उसको आगे जाना है? सो वी सब्ट्रैक्ट बॉबीज रिकॉर्ड फ्रॉम 2 मीटर. 2 मीटर minus Bobby's record. Bobby's record is 1 meter and 91 centimeter. So what we will get? We will get 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter higher should Bobby jump to reach 2 meter. Now, question number 3. Galina's long jump is nearly. Galina, look at the record of Galina. This is the record of Galina, 7 meter and 52 centimeter. लॉन्ग जंप इज नियरली किसके नज़दीक है? 7 मीटर, 7.5 मीटर एंड 8 मीटर. थिंक, गैलिना का रिकॉर्ड किसके सबसे ज़्यादा नियरली है? 7 मीटर, 7.5 मीटर एंड 8 मीटर. What will be the answer? The answer will be 7.5 meter. Okay, students. Now we will do few more questions. Question number 4. Look at the women's record. आपको सिर्फ women's record देखना है. ओके, मेंस के रिकॉर्ड को नहीं देखना. What is the difference between the longest jump? Longest jump, woman. Longest jump. This is the longest jump in world's record. And the highest jump. And this is the highest jump. Stefika 2 meter and 9 centimeter and Galina 7 meter 52 centimeter. What is the difference? For difference we will subtract. 7 meter 52 centimeter. This is the longest jump record. We have to subtract. Now we will write highest jump record. This will be 2 meter and 9 centimeter. What we will get? We will get 5 meter and 43 centimeter. This is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump in women's. Now question number 5. If Mike P is 8 meter and 95 centimeter. If Mike P would blank centimeter longer, his jump would be fill 9 meter. अगर वो थोड़ा सा और ज़्यादा लॉन्ग जंप होता तो उसका लॉन्ग जंप कितना होता? 9 मीटर. फॉर 9 मीटर वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 9 मीटर माइनस माइक्स 8 मीटर and 95 centimeter. We will get 5 centimeter. अगर माइक increase his record with 5 centimeter, it will become 9 meter. So the answer will be 5 meter. And this is the answer of question number 4. Now, whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meter? किसका हाई जंप 2.5 meters के very close है? So we will write Stefika's. First we will write Stefika. Stefika's record is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Now we will write Chandrapal's record 2 meter and 17 centimeter. Now move to Xavier. Xavier's record is 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Now Bobby's record is 1 meter and 91 centimeter. So students, find whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meter. किसका रिकॉर्ड 2.5 मीटर्स के वेरी क्लोज है, नियर बाय कौन है इनमें से? स्टेफिका, चंद्रपॉल, जेवियर, बॉबी. स्टेफिकाज रिकॉर्ड इज 2 मीटर एंड 9 सेंटीमीटर. चंद्रपाल रिकॉर्ड इज 2 मीटर एंड 17 सेंटीमीटर. जेवियर्स रिकॉर्ड इज 2 मीटर एंड 45 सेंटीमीटर. एंड बॉबीज रिकॉर्ड इज 1 मीटर एंड 91 सेंटीमीटर. So whose record will be very close to 2.5? So this Javier's record is very close to 2.5 meter. 2.5 will be 2 मीटर एंड 50 सेंटीमीटर. जेवियर का रिकॉर्ड 2 मीटर एंड 50 सेंटीमीटर के बिल्कुल नियर बाई है इन सभी में से. 2 मीटर 9 सेंटीमीटर, 2 मीटर 17 सेंटीमीटर, 1 मीटर एंड 91 सेंटीमीटर. सो आंसर विल बी जेवियर्स रिकॉर्ड 2 मीटर एंड 45 सेंटीमीटर. Thank you students.